Hey, I was just put in charge of the preventive maintenance scheduling, and I am very confused as to what's been going on around here. Who's been doing the preventive maintenance up until now? Preventive maintenance? I didn't even know we did that. I guess it'd have to be Ricky because he's the only one I've ever seen change oil in anything in the last 6 years, so I guess you're going to have to get with him. Oh, okay. Been doing it for a while then. Maybe, is he here today? Maybe he could run me through what's been going on because it's not documented very well. Yeah, I'm sure he's here somewhere. Look, I'm heading outside. I'll go see if he's out there working on something, and I'll send him in here for you.
Out here trying to have a peaceful day. Look, I don't know why he sent me in here to talk to you, but I have made an active effort to do absolutely nothing all day at work today. So there's no possible way that I could have done anything wrong because I haven't done anything.
Why is it that you assume every time we speak I'm writing you up for something? Look, it's not about that. I am in charge of the preventive maintenance program now, and apparently you've been doing it for a couple years. So I just have some quick questions like, when was the last time the excavator had the oil changed? When was the last time we changed the hydraulic fluid? And no, I think that's done already. Well, when was the last time we changed the oil in a gearbox over on one of the lines over there? When did we do that?
Oh, okay, well this will be easy then. Okay, so look, all you gotta do is figure out when something was broken down for longer than 2 days, because that's when it was maintenance. If it was running, we did not shut that new maintenance on it.
Wait a minute now. So what you're telling me is, unless something is broken down, you just don't change the oil in it until it breaks down. Because, I'm looking at these papers here, and some of these pieces of equipment have been running wide open since like 2009, 2011, and stuff like that. You're going to sit here and tell me that you haven't done any maintenance to them at all in 10 plus years?
Since 2008? What? Where are you working? Broke down here every 3 months, like completely and totally not running. Let me see that. Oh, okay, I see what's going on here. See, all this stuff that hasn't been broken down in the last 6 months, we just don't have anymore. We shoved that thing over there in storage and just forgot about it and bought a brand new one, because that's easier than finding parts for half this shit.
What do you mean you just bought a new one? You can't just do that. How is that saving the company any money at all? We got to start doing preventive maintenance on these things and shutting them down once a month, doing oil changes, gearbox checks. We gotta do some preventive maintenance around here. We're gonna lose everything.
Homie, the only thing we about to lose is our jobs if you start shutting everything down once a month. Okay, you better get with the program here. It's cheaper to buy new than it is to work on the old stuff. You better do a little soul searching if you're gonna stay in charge of the preventive maintenance.